In this video, I want to show you how to fix in case you get no sound out of your iPad Air M4. There's a few different reasons why this can happen, so I'll show you a few different tricks. The first thing to try is to simply restart the iPad. If it's a software problem, this will fix it. How do you do this? Well, it's very easy. You'll need to do it quickly, okay? Everything I'm showing you. Volume up, volume down, and then press this power button. Keep it pressed for around 12 seconds until you see the Apple logo appearing on the display. So keep it like this. Even if you see this display, okay, don't care about that. Just wait with the power button press, and once you see the Apple logo, release your finger. The iPad will boot up normally, nothing will be erased, and you'll be able to test it out again. And 90% of the times, well, this will actually fix the problem. Next thing you can try, well, first make sure that the volume buttons are working. And if you're trying to adjust the ringtone or the alarm sound of your iPad, these buttons will not do anything. You absolutely need to go into the settings if you want to change the volume of those things. So open the settings, and on the left side here, you're going to go down, select sounds. And here you're going to have ringtone and alerts. This is also for alarms. So you see the slider here is separate from the volume buttons on the side of the iPad. If I press these, this slider doesn't move. So maybe your slider was all the way towards the left side, and this is why you couldn't hear any alarms or ringtones. So now you can adjust it. And if you want these buttons to adjust the alarms and ringtones, you can check this toggle over here, tap on it, and these buttons will be able to change the slider, but will not be able to change the volume of the iPad itself. Now, another thing that you can do is, well, to check the speakers. This iPad has 4 different speakers, one here, one there, and on the other side as well. Make sure they're clean. Take a toothbrush and clean them. Over time, there's lint, there's debris that get accumulated there, and this can definitely lower the volume of your iPad over time. You can also try to update your iPad. Maybe it's an issue that Apple is actually aware of. So in this settings menu, simply go and select General, should be here. Then select Software Update. And if there is an update, go ahead, install it. There's a good chance that Apple fixed it in that update available. Finally, the last thing I can tell you is if you want to check to see if the speakers of your iPad are actually broke and it's not a software issue, it's actually a hardware issue, well, you can simply connect a Bluetooth headset, Bluetooth earphones, earbuds, headphones to the iPad and play some music. If you can hear through your headphones, but every time you disconnect that Bluetooth device, there's no sound coming out of the speakers, there's a good chance your iPad needs to be repaired by Apple or by a third party. Thanks for watching. If you found one of these tricks to be working, leave a comment down below. Or if you have any other tips, I want to know. So type a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.